Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can download Roblox on PC. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for roblox.com. After that, the official Roblox website will open up and you will be prompted to sign into your account. After signing in, all of the available games will be displayed on your screen. Simply select the target game you would like to play and then click on the play button. Once done, a prompt will appear on your screen asking you to download the Roblox launcher. Click on download and the downloading will be started. Now install the Roblox launcher and sign into your account. Once signed in, locate the same game again, click on it and then click on the play button. As you can see, the game is now running flawlessly. So that's basically how you can download Roblox on PC. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.